today's video we are going to learn how to delete empty rows in Excel sheet. So I have an Excel sheet where I have some data and some empty rows in between the rows. So if you manually delete each and every row, so you need to select each and every empty row and then you need to click on delete and you need to click each and every row. So it will take a lot of time. So we can do that by following simple steps. Let's see how to do that. So first you need to select the data range. Then you need to click on F5. Then this window will be opened. Then you need to click on special. Here you need to select blanks and click on OK. You can see here all empty rows are selected here. Then you need to click on Control minus. And here you need to select Shift cells up. Then click on OK. See, all the empty rows are deleted. We have only rows with the data. So this is how we delete empty rows from Excel sheet. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe our channel POIT.